there exist various types of USBs with different capabilities and compatibilities, today we'll have a look at the two most common types, USB-C and USB-A. USB-C is the latest generation of USB connectors with a small, thin, and oval-shaped design. USB-C supports USB power delivery, used for charging devices with up to 100 watts, such as laptops, tablets, and phones, USB 3.0 and higher, enabling data transfer speeds up to 20 Gbps, high-speed protocols like Thunderbolt 3 and 4 to deliver up to 40 Gbps of data transfer, and DisplayPort HDMI to connect monitors and TVs, whereas USB-A comes in flat and rectangular shape that fits into a horizontal port. USB-A is majorly used for connecting keyboards, mice, flash drives, printers, scanners, cameras, and more. USB-A can also support data transfer and charging functions with compatible devices and cables. The USB 1.0, USB 2.0, and USB 3.0 standards of USB-A deliver data transfer speeds up to 12 Mbps, 480 Mbps, and 10 Gbps respectively.